Hello friends, in this video we are going to show you how to add whiteboard in your MS Team group. MS means Microsoft. Microsoft Team is an app where you can use to learn something new, to chat, and most of the institution using Team for providing online training app. So how to add whiteboard on your group? Let's I have created a learning group. In this there is a post, files, wiki and plus symbol is there. Just you press on your plus to add whiteboard on your group. Here in the first option whiteboard is available. Just select, then you save it. Then you can write something on your whiteboard and you can use that picture for your sharing purpose. Here marker or pencils available to draw something. Let's I have draw mango. Same way you can draw your own things or you can use whiteboard online in Microsoft Team. This simple way we have shown in your video. You can capture image. If you want to undo, you can do here, undo the things. This one by one it's going. If you want to do redo, means it will come again. These 8 shapes or lines, these shapes you can use, draw in your whiteboard. If you want to add any text, you can type here. I have typed hi. So these things I have shown here. You can try your own, learn. You will show some more future in upcoming videos. Please like, share and subscribe to learn more. Thank you.